In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a column on Monday.com. This task might seem a bit daunting if you're new to the platform, but don't worry, with these steps, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Let's dive in and go through it together. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Head over to the Monday homepage. This is your central hub where all your boards are displayed. It's important to have this open so that you can navigate directly to the board you want to work on. Next, locate and click on the sample board you'll be working with. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure you're selecting the correct board that contains the column you intend to clear. Once open, you should see your columns arranged neatly. Now move to the specific column you want to clear. Look carefully at the top of this column for the three dots or the menu icon. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu that offers a range of options specific to that column. One of the options you'll see in this drop-down is Collapse. Click on Collapse. This action will minimize the column and might help you better focus or organize your view before you proceed. Collapsing columns is also handy when dealing with large boards as it reduces clutter on your screen. After collapsing, find the small arrow, usually adjacent to where your column was. Click on this arrow to expand the column once more. Doing this will restore the column to full visibility, allowing you to proceed with any further actions needed. With the column fully expanded, revert your attention back to the top of the column. Click on the three dots menu icon once again. Opening this dropdown a second time allows us to access more actions for the column. Here, you'll find the option to delete. Click on delete. Be sure that you really want to clear the column as this step is irreversible. It's always good practice to double check if there are any crucial data or information you need to back up elsewhere before deletion. Confirm your decision by clicking delete in the confirmation pop-up. This step ensures you're absolutely sure about clearing the column and prevents any accidental data loss. It's a simple final step, but one that guarantees your actions are deliberate. And that's it! Your column should now be cleared successfully, freeing up space and possibly even streamlining your viewed data. Remember, practice makes perfect with software tasks, so don't feel discouraged if you need to go through these steps a couple of times before you're completely comfortable. Happy organizing with Monday.com, and thank you for watching.